How spoken English is essential for us as a English language student.
Spoken English is very important. It allows me to communicate with people from different countries and make new friends. Practice spoken English to become better at speaking and understanding the language. I I likes learning new words and phrases and knowing how to answer question in English. And speaking English well can help me in school, at work, and in everyday life. With time and practice, I am becoming a better. I speak spoken English. I enjoy speaking English and hope to keep improving.
Very good. Mr. Pardeep, as a student, we have many dreams and goals, right? So, if a person has a dream, or we can say a goal, so how he or she will achieve these dreams and goals, and what do you know about dreams and goals?
To achieve our dreams and goals in life, we must first start with a clear vision of what we want. Setting small and realistic steps make the journey easier to follow. Hard worker and discipline are the needed to every day to stay on track. Challenge will come, but staying strong and not giving up builds success. Learning from mistakes and improving ourselves keep us moving for, moving forward. Patience and consistency are the just as important as effort. Truly, starting with the determination and hard working daily is the key to turning dreams and relativity.
How daily speaking help us improve our English?
Speaking English daily is one of the best way to improve fluency. When I practice every day, the word come to my mind more easily. I talk to simple things like my day, my plans, or my feelings. Speaking daily also helps me overcome fear and shyness. Even I make mistake. Even I make mistake. Even I make a mistake. I learn something new each time. I talk to myself, my friends, or even record my voice to check my progress. The more I speak, the more confident and natural I become in English.
Very good. As you know, that today's word is a word of social media. So, do you know what is social media and how it impacts our life?
Social media is a powerful tool that connects the people around the world. It allows us to share ideas, learn new things, stay in touch with family and friends. Social media can be helpful for education, communication, and business. If we use wisely, social media can be helpful for persons. We should use social media
Very. Mr. Rana Vikram, you are learning English. So, why you are learning English?
Learning English is an important step toward personal and professional growth. It helps us communicate with people from different country and culture. culture. English open the door to introduction, jobs, and global opportunity. As first, learn English may feel different, but regular practice make it easily manage with listening, speaking, and writing every day. Improve your skill with patience and confidence. With confidence, anyone can learn English and use it successfully in daily life.
Very good. Tell us how daily reading help us learn a language. For example, a person who is reading English on daily basis. So how it will be helpful for him or her?
Yes. Daily reading is a good habit for everyone. It helps us learn new words and ideas. When we read every day, our mind becomes stronger. Reading makes us think better and very more
Confident. Yes. Okay, good. Clapping for him.
more clearly. Where
You want, okay.
it helps us relax and feel calm when we can read storybooks. Poems are simple articles. Even reading for 10 minutes a day is a helpful. It is a helpful daily reading improves our speaking and writing. It helps. Helps also. It helps also better in school. Reading is every day is a small habit that gives big to benefit in life.
So, Mr. Chandar, you might have listened Farhan talking right now, right?
Yes.
So he have talked about how to improve English. So, what suggestion would you give him how to improve speaking, say English speaking?
To speak English well, you need to practice every day. Start with simple words and short sentences. Do not be
Good.
afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help you learn and grow. To listen English songs, videos, and people speaking, try to repeat the sentences
Very good.
you hear. Speak with friends, or even speak to yourself in English. Read a small stories and messages daily. Learn a few new words and use them in sentences. Be
Good.
patient and kind to yourself. If you learning, if you keep practicing, you will speak English with confidence.
Very good. Clapping for him. Having activity, right? Let's talk activity. So I will ask you a question. Your name is Farhan.
Yes.
Mr. Farhan, suppose there is a student and who comes to you
Yes.
and he asks you about how to improve English. So what suggestion would you like to give him or her?
To improve speaking, you need to practice every day. Try to speak
Sidhu bhai.
English, even if it is only a little. Do not be afraid to mistakes, because mistakes help you learn. Listen to English songs, videos, and people talking. Repeat the words and sentences you hear. Read the short stories or dialogue and say them aloud. Try to think in English during the day. Speak with friends, family, or even with yourself in front of a mirror. Record your voice and listen to it. See your progress. Be patient and keep practicing, and your speaking slowly become better and more confident. Thank you.